Bonjour, bonsoir. Comment nous y? Moi c'est Peter Richemont, même amis pour là. Moi passé pour publier cette vidéo ça sur channel moi, je pense que si toutefois ou même vous une chance pour aller suivre li, prends ça pour suivre li et si toutefois tout ou parler espagnol parce que vous l'entendre. Et Jean un dominiken vraiment a moyen membre nous-mêmes qui c'est haïtien parce que là vous parler de Haïti, yo entièrement parler de haïtiens. Bien que nous-mêmes innocents on a payé pour coupable mais et vraiment ça fait mal moi-même parce que si vous parlez espagnol ça fait mal. Mais on suit vite pour nous entendre et puis mettons l'autre vidéo d'elle pour montrer jou que haïtien prend conscience comment nous pour marcher sur République dominicaine. L'autre vidéo al pas derrière pour fin suivre vidéo dominicain à côté la parler ou toujours un côté qui et comment nous pour marcher sur un jour si conscience haïtien tourner normal.
Ayúdalo en su país. Ellos tienen su propia constitución. Nosotros no somos Haití, somos República Dominicana y no somos compatibles en nada, ni en la costumbre, idioma, religión, educación. Es un país que lo que aporta es pobreza, robo, delincuencia, criminalidad, enfermedades, desempleos, locos, pordioseros, contaminación ambiental, prostitución, arrabalización y falta de higiene, tragándose nuestra economía como un animal hambriento. Por eso ningún país del mundo lo quiere en su territorio.
Stadium. Good rock. Oh my word! A spinning kick that knocked Hassan straight down.
Pulling it all the way back from Hong Kong. Ooh, that was a nice body shot right there.
His legs are so huge that he's getting really hurt. Left hooks to the body. Oh, big punches to the face.
Oh,
Zabora's
that
in
was
big
a
trouble.
big right hand.
Zabora is grazed and possibly cut on the head. Olivia Cost is ready to pounce. It's finished.
And grinding. Galani end up on top. Look at the monstrous Galani too. He's got to look at Galani. Stand, pulls it out again.
Galani, world, and Dalbuni got 9-2 pro opponents in the past. No bigger than
Head hunt.
And Haikani dropping his hands around. Galani, plenty of instruction, 50 tattoos. Actually, you see Galani wants to keep it at kicking range.
Honestly, I would like to actually see these push kicks.
Been hit in years earlier on from Galani. Weight kickboxing and Muay Thai.
And that clinch of the referee's warm.
From Galani, Karadika, Toza, Francisco Filios.
Heat right.
Let's see if Galani second round. Axe kick. Moving close and clinch up with opponents. Good outside leg kick from Kababi. Good jab to overhand right there from that
Two question mark kick.
And he's still here. How is he still standing? The man from Hong Kong.
And he's still throwing.
This feat of strength. And a big right hand from Galani. And he's unloading now. And Machado's in big trouble. He has to go for the legs to try and get some respite. But it's not coming because Angalani, Shimado making sure that Galani's elbow doesn't make contact with the back of the head. Very important. That's why he stopped the action for a while.
Oh yeah, he can curl it right up.
Strength. Now Angalani in the position to punch down, pushes the legs to one side so he can get to the head and the body. The left arm comes in under the arm and towards the chin. Now the right hand goes to work immediately above us here at cage side.
How much energy are these two expending? You know, Machado thought he probably had the finish and he was letting everything go with those hammer fists.
Big blows
Galani's
coming
doing
in.
the same thing.
25 seconds left, Mitch. It's been an exhausting first 5
There
minutes.
to the takedown. He doesn't believe the Mongolian's gonna try to shoot for the takedown. Oh, but he got caught.
Southpaw at the moment. There's that wicked left roundhouse.
Later rounds, he's gonna be slower.
It's been hot and humid week in Bangkok. Oh, the high kick! Common peroneal nerve just above the knee to dead in the leg of the giant Mongolian. Overhand left, the headache maker from Galani. Careful not to drift to his left, thrown off that right side, that's
It's
phased.
the cage because that's where he starts to hold and control that body lock.
Oh, a beautiful clipping left hand there so far that you can see under the hemline. Outside leg kicks of Galani. Yeah, may he throw the heavy salvo?
Aaron Bolt's having most of his success.
World Manila, nothing compares, and it's a sparse start.
That is a big man to have on top of you.
amid all of this grappling, not so many punches.
Oh, nice inside leg trip.
There, first punches of the fight really thrown in anger, and they come from Ngalani. They'll be heavy by definition. Derive a submission.
This isn't a good move for Chang to give up his back.
Ngalani didn't want back up on their feet. Oh, there's that kick, not quite the spinning back punches as well, and 2 left uppercuts inside.
Right, Melvin Manoff 2.0. Kind of has that. He moves very similar.